warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Hello
wabarakatuh.
everyone, hello us from group 1 to introduce ourselves first. I'm Faruq Aditya and here with two of my friends, Putri and Githa. Hi Putri, how are you today?
Hello Farouk, I'm fine. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. How about you Githa?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also good, guys.
Okay, alhamdulillah ya. I hope you all always give good health and enthusiasm ya. By the way, after yesterday we run the test of English for academic for about a month. I want to know about what material do you think is easy to understand and apply?
In my opinion, the easy material is active and passive voice.
Ah, okay. Really?
Yes, what's wrong with the material?
There's nothing wrong, but I'm also like you, active and passive voice. I think it's not different material because it is easy to understand and apply.
Oh, okay. Yes. That's absolutely true. Actually, I don't want to say this, but this active and passive voice material is material that I can understand easily during this test of English for academic.
Oh, we can be compact like this, right? Because we
Yeah,
have
yeah.
the same material that we like and we understand. We will make a video that discuss active and passive voice, guys.
Yes, we made this video, of course, to fulfill the final project of the test of English for Academy.
Okay, guys. Without further ado, let's start right away. For the first one, do you remember what the active and passive voice has to do with what?
As far as I remember, the active and passive voice are related to transitive verb, namely verb that have an object, and transitive verbs can be changed from active voice and passive voice.
Ah, that's good answer, Putri. After we know that active and passive voice is related to transitive verb, Gita, can you explain what is active and passive voice?
Okay, I think the active voice is a sentence where the subject does something, while the voice is a relationship between the subject and the verb. There, the subject receives the action of the verbs.
Oh yes, Gita explanation is quite clear. So in short, passive voice is the opposite of active voice, which is a sentence with the subject doing an active or activity.
Okay, that's right. That's right. Gita and Putri. And basically, the function of the active voice is to explain that someone is doing or has done something, while the passive voice is used to show interest the person or object that is being acted on the and not the person or object that is doing the action. So the most important thing or person will be the subject of the sentence. It's quite clear. The theory that I, Putri, and Gita have explained so that it's easier for us to apply the material. And now, how about the immediately mentioned example of sentence form active and passive voice?
Yes, I agree. Our first example is Githa active voice making a strawberry cake, and the passive voice example of a strawberry cake is made by Githa. From this example, it is very clear that the subject is Githa.
Okay.
Okay, my turn. Example of active voice, Putri reading the newspaper, and example of passive voice, newspaper read by Putri. From the example I mentioned earlier, it is clear that here the subject is Putri.
Okay. Well done. Nice to get time Putri, and finally, it was my turn to give example. For the active voice of Faruq kicks ball, Faruq kicks the ball, and the passive voice of the ball kicked by Faruq. Okay, so it's very easy to change the transitive verb into the active voice or passive voice. Yes, we only change the position of the subject and the object. In the active voice, the subject is performed in action, while in passive voice, it is object less subject to action.
Yes, that's right. That's the point.
Okay. Okay, guys, thank you very much for taking the time to share and review material about the structure, especially in active and passive voice. Before this video is closed, I invite Putri to give a closing statement.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you all, and thank you also to our supervisor, Miss Mirna, who has graded us for about a month. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, Miss Mirna, and all you guys.
Okay. Thank you, Putri, and you Gita.
Okay, thank you Farouk and Putri for their conference, and don't forget to also thank Miss Mirna for the useful knowledge. Hopefully, we can all meet another time. Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you too, guys. Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of the conversation. Personally, I also want to say thank you very much to Miss Mirna who has provided very useful material for us. And don't forget, my friends, Putri and Gita, we are willing to fight together to complete the test of English for academic. Nice to meet you guys and see you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Bye bye.